Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki khana school ki long thali haba unong hikai o kali jingeli. Ki samla badon kardan ki babit hendai ki snap jar jar ha ka jingelang. Ki samla wala pendap ya ka graduate ki kiar na ka bale interview namar bating ban Kren. Nalor ki wei pak. Ya kini ki kintian la Pynpaw do wei urang ba oblatip kerteng kumuba Arjun lingdo ubade u founder jongka NE Skills Center of Excellence Communications and Behavioral Transformation Specialist ubala ai ka jingirap but ai jinghikai mentala kumba arpos nem tam yaki kun samla da ka papanon kam ringkat ki jingirap ka technology bat ka core internet uba Arjun uloong ba bon ki brio ki perkhat ba ka jingeh ka long ban Kren English Henry ki jingeh ki mi na ka jing tim ka jing artatin bat ka jing bom tip Kumno ban Pynpaw ya ka badon ha ka Jingmut jing perkhat uba Arjun ula pensyong nongrem ban penkala omtang Kumno ki brio kin Kren kin khana Henry ban ra yaladi ha ki kamra class ki office bat ki jaka yele exam ban yo kam ne ki wei ula Pynpaw bagi don palat pau hajar ngot ki brio ki ba ula ai ka jinghikai ki kenthop ya ki bala don kerdan bahe hakeleng ka jala ka than chetela mengi kari na ki wei pat ki benta kari wat ki banabar ri ru kumju ka ba khampher ha ka rukom hikai jong u ka long ba shim kerpang ki subject kom ka jinghikai Kren English ka communication ki soft skills lani personality development la ka jong Henry ushim bakini ki don ka jing yasno ka bajliu kumta uhikai ya ubriu ha ka ju kapor kani ka jing tre ka bajar jar jong u kalayo ka jing ithu ha kari India pro ka wei ha ka ba ula rung ru ha ka thop ya ki top 100 tutors la lais nem linter ka ta ha usnem 8000 apusan ban 8000 apun riu ubla rung ha ki kardan ba khmat kumunong hikai ha ki subject ki ba ula hikai kum ka soft skills spoken English communication skills, interview, readness, but ka personality development, but yamenta udon ha ka thop ki shipungut na ki nong India hapo jong ka urban pro. Ka NE skills kala ay ki program jinghikai, spoken English, communication skills, personality development, leadership communication, interview preparation, but ka public speaking, ringkat ki cooperate, but ki institutional training, but kum ka center ka yop diang palar aspa san photli ki jingpet bnya lane ki public review ha ki rinsan pa pher
te nganong patay than mo and I'll just give it short mo te kalau kumne or nga training kong po Delhi arajat re was tam ne te ngaro pe ngali na Shillong ne I'm from Shillong small school I went to St. Peter's no? So my English was not that great nor was my communication all right plus bang Kren Hindi the Porpoi Delhi for that first 17 interviews I got rejected. Why? Because of communication. And back then there was no online stuff, there was no AI, nothing of that, no mobiles also. So I had to, and I used to work in a call center, you know, class 12 pass, you don't get a good job then. I remember this so vividly that I used to reach home around 3-4 a.m. in the morning and spend 2 hours sitting in front of the mirror just practicing. Okay, and finally I got my breakthrough in American Express, wherein I was hired as a communications excellence trainer. And then I realized that I needed to work really hard on my communication. Okay, and as things went, I worked for Barclays, HSBC, I worked for Avenues and stuff like that. And I decided to come back to Shillong to set up NE Skills. Not for myself, but to help the people or the youth of the Northeast. That is my mission. Okay, because I know how difficult it is. Kalong difficult bhai kung kibriyo mangi manlit chabar and try to build a career there. Okay, I've been there. I know the pain. So ngakwa ba ki youth niya kito sutukin. Right? And when we're talking about coaching, I coach pretty much everybody on everything because I have multiple certifications, multiple credentials. So it's whether you are a fresher, whether you are a seasoned professional, whether you want team coaching, you know, administrative coaching, I do all of that. Okay, and my methodology of coaching is tangible, meaning that you enter at a level, you exit at a certain level. There's no fluff. So that's pretty much what I do. And now any skills, I've been building this since 2003. Oh, sorry, 2023. So 3 years running now. And I'm trying to expand more into the Northeast market. Okay, there mainly ngadon po Urban Pro. Urban Pro is one of India's largest online platform for training and teaching. Right, there are more than 8 lakhs tutors there. Okay, and they teach pretty much every subject. You go right from tuition type, spoken English, and this and that. And 2024, 2025, and currently 2026, I'm ranked number 1. Okay, nationally. So that is against 8 lakh people. That's a lot. Okay, and these the awards I get is not just because I've been there, it's because of verified students' reviews. The students that I've trained, they've given reviews, they are verified. That's the reason why I'm getting these accolades. Okay, if it's just again like no fluff. Everything is there, everything is mapped, everything is written, long clean with it. The only issue is that there, Hapot Shillong, no one recognizes the kind of coaching that we do. And I'm not only talking about myself, there are other coaches back end who do pretty much what I do, right? Maybe not at the same level, maybe different coaching, but they also are not getting highlighted. And that's a very sad thing because very soon Shillong or Meghalaya or the Northeast itself will require people like us to help other people. Very, very soon. Yeah, absolutely. How to communicate under pressure. No. And pressure hits anywhere, anytime. You sit for an interview, you are under pressure. You have to go for a meeting, you're under pressure. You have to give a presentation, you're under pressure. Right? How to navigate that is what I teach. Okay? Because see, everyone has skills. No. Especially me, Northeast, we have so much potential. So much potential. It's just that fear, that block that stops us from being the best versions of ourselves. I eliminate that block, that fear, by giving them techniques, how to calm yourselves down, right? How to speak better, how to communicate effectively. So that's what I primarily do. No matter how old you are, it does not matter how much exposure you've had, it does not matter how much experience you have. Because at the end of the day, when the situation hits the room, the pressure, if you are not able to handle that, then you will crumble. And it doesn't, like I said, doesn't matter. Experience, exposure, nothing of that sort. If you don't know how to calm yourself down, you don't know the techniques of deep breathing or lowering your blood pressure down, right? Getting away from those negative thoughts, right? Getting more positivity, then people will never be able to excel. And that's proof because I've been training people from pan-India and across the globe, right? They have the same problems. See, the first things first is that I think that we should educate the people first of what problems that they might, have in the future. Without education, they will not know. Right now in Shillong, people still think about spoken English. Spoken English is just grammar. Right? It's just a language. That's another language. But how you use those languages to communicate, to share your ideas, to share your thoughts confidently is what I train. Now you might be the best. I'll give you an example. All of us went to school, right? We remember our grammar teachers. Yes. Have you ever seen one of the grammar teachers standing on stage and presenting? No, right? Even though their grammar is spot on. But you'll never find them on stage presenting. Why? Because of that fear, because of that block. But you might find other people who might not be really good in speaking in English, but have the confidence to stand on stage and present. You see, it's all See, I have 2 diplomas in psychology as well. And I'm an NLP practitioner. So what happens is, I'll tell you the secret, when we listen to people speaking, okay, we don't even pay attention to grammar words, which are called function words. Those are de-stressed. We pay attention to content words, which carry meaning. You get it? Like how I'm speaking right now, you will never catch my grammatical errors. You get it? But other people speak in blocks. hi, my name is Arjun. So everything is being stressed the same way. So there's no stress, de-stress modulation, because see, communication, 55. So there's this guy, Albert Mehrbrin, professor in Los Angeles, Nevada, passed away now. He came up with the theory that communication is divided into 3 V's. First V is visual. 55% of communication is visual. Meaning if I smile and I tell you, Sam, I'm having the worst day of my life, you'll not believe me. 38% are your vocals. Yeah, stress, de-stress, push some content words, right? And only 7%. So if you add 55 plus 38, 93, right? The remaining 7% are the words that come out of your mouth. But everyone here in Shillong thinks that they need to work on that 7% more. You get it? Which makes no logical sense. Because I've seen TEDx speakers who are deaf and mute even giving us, proper speech in TEDx platforms. You get it? So this is important, but not really that important. The rest is your body language, your hand gestures, your expressions, your gravitas, the way you carry yourself, all of those matter. And you can only do that if you are self-aware. So I have this framework that I've created, which is called the A3C3 framework. It's mine. So it stands for awareness. First, you need to be aware internally and externally about yourself. Then the second A is audacity, having the confidence to do what you want to do. And the last A is authenticity, meaning that I don't train or coach or mentor people to change or to copy somebody. Yeah, I find out who they are and make sure that they remain authentic. Then the 3 C's are choice. First, you choose to get better. Commitment, you commit. And consistency is the key. Because everything is based on the art of repetition. Right? For me, Kren, we don't speak from our conscious mind, we speak from our subconscious. Okay? Tementash muntang ai fi kates grammar day flaban ya pasut bro. Tama porfikran day flaban bakla. Because you speak from here based on exposure, what you've exposed yourself to. You get it? So I go and I rewire these patterns, and in science this is called muscle memory. Like driving or cooking, like driving scooties. You'll never forget how to drive a scooty or ride a scooty for the rest of your life, because you've been doing that constantly. Similarly, that's what I do. I rewire patterns, I remove unwanted patterns, build new patterns, and it sticks with my students for the rest of their life. That's what I told you at the start, that they enter at a certain level and they exit at a certain level. I am not that kind of a person that will string a person for 6 to 8 months to 1 year to 2 years. I've never coached anyone more than 3 months. Whether it's basic spoken English or high level influencing called communication. They don't need that much time. Because at the end of the day, money we can always make. Time is something that is non-renewable and you'll never get that anymore. So that's more important to me. Locals. Kita na baru, especially na po Arunachal, we bun na po Arunachal ru. Even I train people from Arunachal because magchite kikan bahada ka hindi ne. So kim lat kan Phareng than. So like I told you that I don't just train people on specific courses anymore. Like ndafi ko benang Phareng spoken English. Then later on you'll realize, I don't know how to communicate, I don't have confidence. Then you'll search for another coach to learn confidence. Then you get a job. Then you learn that, oh God, I don't know how to do things. Soft skills are required. And then suddenly you realize, oh my God, everyone's doing so well, my personality is so low. So I teach 5-in-1. Okay, I teach everything. So if your grammar is a problem, I fix that. Plus with communication, plus with soft skills, plus with build their personality, gravitas, aura, all of that.
So, being a teacher, may we call you as a counselor?
Sorry?
Do you consult also?
I consult as well, yeah. I do a lot of consulting for a lot of different businesses. When I started any skills, I tried a lot. 1,000 rupees I offered, 500 rupees I offered. No one joined. I'll be honest with you. I opened an offline center, okay? Hardly 4-5 people come in 6 months. Okay, so from a business angle, that's gone for me. Because my core mission, like I told you guys, my mission is to help the youth of the Northeast, right? But I have to survive as well, right? So that's why I'm coming up with that Northeast cohort wherein they can pay 500, 200, 300, okay, and then they can join. I can coach them as well. That's for the Northeast. But for the high premium clients, those are from the rest of the world. So that I'm not even bothered about. My goal is right now to immerse myself with the youth here. Okay, but the only problem is that no one knows that people like us exist. You get it? Right now, if people think about coaching, they'll go to Ramakrishna Mission. Yes or no? They'll not come to people like us because we are not well known. Right? But we just do back end work, help people like Sarah Karshanvi, all these people. But we are never put on place. We are not on the map. And that's disheartening. Yes, online is actually much better. Well, you can sit at home, yeah, join my link, okay, on your phone. Nothing. You don't have to do, just have normal connection, join the class, sit on your phone. That's it. I don't give homework, I don't give assignments because all of that is useless. Okay? So how I train is 20 minutes I will teach people techniques. 40 minutes is when I practice with them. Hardcore practice. I put them under pressure. So I rather they fail with me and pass in the real life. You get it? Sometimes people hate me because of that, but they get what they want at the end of the day. Nay. So that is the plan, right? I don't have the funds to hire a team or something, so I do everything on my own. So I train around 10 hours a day, 10 students, and then after that around 4-5 hours designing, content creation. So I work around 15-16 hours a day, 7 days a week. Yeah. So Kiniki professionals, they prefer evening slots. Okay, they can train too. So they prefer 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is where I stop. Then around 3-4 o'clock I have to get up because then I have American students. You get it? So it's a little wonky for me as well, but we got to survive. Meghalaya is absolutely growing, and that's the reason why I'm still here. No, I mean, like, are we okay there? Yeah. So I mean, like, Minta, looking at the scene in Meghalaya, I will not be surprised if a lot of MNCs, a lot of companies will come up here very soon. It's a booming industry here, not only tourism, okay? And once that happens, then people will realize that yes, they need coaching. They need to understand how to sit for interviews. They need to understand how to talk to management. They need to understand what is lateral communication, horizontal communication, upward communication, downward communication. Those are very, very important. Okay, so my plan is be here, wait for Meghalaya to, push up a little bit and then immerse myself wherever I can. And everyone's using AI, correct? Problem is that a lot of people think that using AI or going to YouTube or watching some videos will help them or they will learn something. Self-learning does not work like that. Until and unless there's someone to monitor you, to correct you, you will not learn on your own. You get it? Because again, if you're learning from somewhere, that is conscious learning. It sticks in your conscious part of the brain, but not subconscious. Until and unless you don't know the techniques to transfer that information from your conscious part of your brain to your subconscious, then all that information will be replaced with another information. You get it? So they might go to YouTube right now and learn 10 words, for example. Right? Vocabulary building, they'll call it. They'll learn 10 words. Tomorrow, they will not be able to recall even a single word. Because that's not how it works.
They are being replaced by some other.
By some other. Because see, at the end of the day, we understand that conscious, subconscious, mental album, right there in between. For example, if I say lemons, you all know what lemons are? Why? Because you can see lemons in front of you right now, yes? PEM from the mental album. If I give you a word and you've never seen an image of that word, you'll never understand. Like concreticize. If I say, hey guys, let's catch up tomorrow and concreticize the plans, you'll understand the context, but you'll not understand the word. Because that word is not registered in your mental album because there's no image for you to connect from. But if I break that word down, I say concrete. What is concrete? Cement? Cement? So now you know what concreticize means. Like let's make the plan solid. Now you'll never forget that word anymore in your life.
Solidify.
Yeah. Now you'll never forget that word in your life anymore. That is called vocabulary building, not by reading books and all of that stuff. NLP, which is a neuro linguistic practitioner. Okay. So certified international trainer from Indian Leadership Academy. I do have I'm certified master trainer as well. I'm also certified corporate trainer, international corporate trainer. I also have a certification on TESOL, which means I teaching English to people, okay, who don't know English. And yeah, some awards from Urban Pro. But I do have hospitality degree. I have 2 diplomas in psychology, educational psychology, child psychology. Right, what else do I have? Well, quite a lot actually, but yeah, that's it. No extra words. Stop being scared. Fear is the blocker. Okay, and where does fear come from? When you don't know things. We fear the unknown. Once we know, fear does not exist anymore. Correct?